The fervent melody of nature, carried by the joyful heart, glides through the misty valley along with the whispering breeze. The voices of birds and the music of zephyr enfolds souls in liveliness amidst nothingness. The slight touch of wildflowers and the vehement shade of an old banyan tree often makes me reconcile with peace. Nothing could emasculate the roots which gave birth to seed of life. Breeze whispering sweet lullabies touches the silent streams, carries onward this boundless music to the abyss of dreams. But nature put forth its shackles, the ones that free your heart and unchain the fervent melody of a whole that's now apart. Peace, so serene and dainty, cradled on the lap of ruffling leaves, calls upon the rugged terrain to look for trails amidst the wildflowers. And what could be better than taking your last breath in the arms of your Mother Nature that you died protecting? Ah, a soldier's paradise. Mother Nature is to give silently, heal politely, work relentlessly, and love boundlessly. Pleasure it is, being wrapped in your green arms while gazing at the orange eye, sinking to the tunes of the blue water body. Oh, Mother Nature, you are my inspiration, and like vibrant colors of you, I learned to live and experience shades of